Hi guys, I'm Piyush Adchitre. I'm from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, and I'm a final year medical student. I'm studying in the 7th sem. Today I've got something for you which each medical student deeply aspires. Yes, you read the title right. I'm going to do the unboxing of the eGurukul version 2.0 notes which have been recently updated with all the new questions and new content added. Without flouting any COVID measures, we'll begin by first sanitizing the package. I've already let it aside for some time, so it should not be a problem. And I'll get my hands clean too. Okay, so just like you, even I can't contain my excitement with this wonderful package around me, and without further ado, let us start this unboxing. It came to me, as you can see, in this very attractive bag, which would be a handy tool in the future too, when you are going for your coaching or to your college. So let's see what we've got. Okay, so here it is. And what do we have next? Okay, it's medicine. So as you can see, the books, in the very first impression, I can see they've been very clearly and very conveniently divided into various parts according to the subjects. So that was medicine part 1, part 2, and this is part 3. You've got ENT, you've got PSM, and in this way they have covered all the entire 19 subjects of MBBS, making it very easy for you to score well in your entrance exam as well as your professional exams. So at the outset you can easily make out the books have been color coded according to the subject, which makes it very easy for you to guess which book is of which subject and to study them accordingly. We MBBS students anyway have a lot of books to study, and this convenience rounds about to increasing your efficiency. So let's see what we've got here today. So the books, they've been very well labeled. The cover is good, it looks quite durable, and I feel that the binding too won't come out. The material quality looks excellent to me since the binding is very good, the pages are very well, and they are quite thick pages on which you can easily write, draw, do whatever you feel like. So on the first impression, I am starting with the book of ophthalmology, and as you can see, it is a very well illustrated book. Of course, they'll have the photos of their results, and it's a completely colored atlas. So you see, it will keep you engrossed for a long time, and the colors will help to break the monotony of the notes. With each book, you also get the description of your guru in the Gurukul, and you get to know whom you are studying from and their credentials as well. So coming to ophthalmology, as you can see here, the book has been divided very well into chapters and each subtopic has been covered adequately. So I have been studying on the DBMCI eGurukul app as well, and I can definitely tell you that these notes are covering most of what has been taught in the class, and that too in a very good manner. Whatever your teachers are making you write in the class, that has been adequately covered over here in a very legible way and in a very organized manner as well. As you can see, each topic has been divided into various subheadings, and also the font, as you can see, is like a handwritten one, so it will make you feel as if you're reading your own notes. It has also been speckled with the very real photos of the cases and of the patients as well. So it will give you a very realistic approach towards whatever you're reading and will definitely help you correlate clinically whatever you're doing in the eGurukul app. The important points have been highlighted, and even the text has been highlighted in such a way so that you know what to focus on. A very interesting thing over here is that the pages also have timestamps. So if I'm reading from some video and I wish to skip to a topic which I have left to cover, so with these timestamps here, I also know from the book that at what time I am supposed to tune into video to see the topic of my choice, as well as I don't have to browse through the pages to find the relevant notes. The timestamp has made browsing through different topics very easy. All topics have been covered in a very interactive manner, just like the faculty do in the classes, and as you can see, adequate amount of flow charts and charts have been made so that you know what you're reading and you know how to correlate it with the other topics. Now here you can see there are active spaces given too. In this you can mention whatever you feel has been left out or whatever you need to focus extra on. So these active spaces are a very good approach, and they will help you to grasp all the concepts from a single book when you fill them. Also, you can see there are some exam tags given here, so you know specifically what part of the syllabus has been asked in which exam, and you can prepare accordingly according to your aim. It has been very well illustrated with various informative contents, and also the timestamps are present on almost every page. Another unique thing about the DBMCI notes is that they have clearly marked topics which are of increased relevance for your professional exams. So even you don't need to study separately for your MBBS professional exams, since all the important topics and all the questions that you're supposed to learn by heart are given in the book itself. You may also find some hand-drawn diagrams which you can make as it is in the exam, and it will help you to grasp a visual memory of whatever you're reading. The labelings have been done adequately, and the active spaces provided everywhere give a good space to write down whatever extra things you need. Another enthralling and unique feature of these notes is that you get notes from two faculty for some subjects like medicine. So as you can see here, we have these notes by Tamim sir and the others by a very own founder of Bhatia classes, Dr. Mukesh Bhatia. They give you the extra edge by giving notes from two faculty, and definitely DBMCI has taken the extra step to ensure that you don't miss out on anything that will be important for the exams. These notes would definitely help you, since the pattern of presentation of both the notes would be different and you can choose which one suits you the best. Apart from this, another important feature that I see here is that the color coding is truly smart. They have highlighted the topics according to their relevance, both in terms of the competitive exams as well as your professional exams, and also their overall relevance in your clinical practice. The diagrams are truly high definition, with each one of them being crystal clear, and it will easily help you to recall the diagrams visually. There are some interesting quotes too on the covers of these books to keep you going through your tough times and beat the blues. Also, you need to check out yourself, as you may get some goodies in the box as well. Bhatia classes have ensured that nothing comes in between you and your preparation, and have given you all the necessary tools to start studying as soon as you get these notes. So these are truly a one-step solution for your NEET PG, INI CET and next PG exams. The eGurukul 2.0 subscription will definitely amplify your result and help you reach your true potential. I'm going to make the best of this opportunity and also utilize these notes to their best. I'm sure you will do. Just check out the link in the description and get yours today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content, and stay tuned for updates. This is Piyush Architre signing off.